Morning, guys. Do you have any questions from last week? Can at least send me a message. Do you guys have any questions from last week? Tell me. I cannot ask one by one. There is no 100 people. At least send me a message. Any unclear point from last week? Right, guys. So I am sharing with you the screen and so that let's begin doing this. Okay. So, yes, this one. The pyramid of plane figures containing sectors of circles. So we have to do this one. So we have to do this one. Right. First of all, I am not going to explain this one, but you can do this. Right? You can do this on your own self, and let's do some questions, so on and so forth. So try to do the example number one, and I will need to see who finishes first. Right? So you have to find the pyramid of this plane figure. So these are called the composite plane figures. Composite plane figures, right? So here you have an arc, and here also you have an arc, right? These two are straight lines. Me here to here and here to here. These two are straight lines, so that you can find. Try to find the full perimeter of this figure and send me the answer to the chat, main chat. Main chat so that I can configure who got the first place. Right? Do it fast. Do it fast. So you guys know how to do this one now, right? You know how to find the arc length, right? Arc length. Then find the perimeter. Send me the answer to the chat. Let us go. This length. Then you have this one from here to here. Right? Then again you have this length. Right? Then again you have here to here. Try to do this. Send me the answer to the chat. Okay, Farah send me nice. Farah got the first place. What about others? Chenita got the second place. Super. Hey, what time is he, right? Okay, I'm having answers. Tenoli got the third place. Okay, super. Right. What about Keon, Sanuka, Pranadi? I'll give you another 1 minute to complete. Right? Direct pataskala and right? What I see. Thirty seconds remaining. Try it, try it. Try to do this. Try to make it. Right. Okay with it. 10 seconds. Super. Time's up. Okay, Sanu can send me the answer. Okay. Right, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Stop sharing and I'll come to the board. Right. Okay. So this is the figure. Guys, give me 1 minute. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Right. Okay. So this is the question. Make a patta is right. So you have arcs. Two arcs. So you know how to find the uh, circumference of half circle middle, right? And this is this one and this one, two straight lines, right? So find the arc length. So same applies here. Method 10 is same thing, right? Because of these two arcs are same, right? Identical each other. So it would be enough to find one arc length because the diameter is 7. The diameter is 7. Not the radius, right? Yes, the diameter. Right? Diameter is 7 centimeters. Right? So same thing applies to here. Same thing applies to here. Right? So that you can get the radius 7 divided by 2. Right? And you can find this arc length same as this one. Right? Identical two arc lengths. Right? And then you can find the perimeter. Right? Okay. So I will first find this arc length. Right? So I can write arc length like this and equation theta divided by 360 multiplied by 25r. So this is the equation that we are using, right? So I am going to substitute theta 180. So this is an half circle length. So no need to do that. You can just substitute half instead of this because you know this is a half circle, right? No need to apply theta and this is 180 and so on and so on. Right. So then multiply 2 5r. 5 is 22 upon 7. Radius. If you apply 7, this is wrong, right? This is more diameter. If you want to get the radius, it would be better if you can substitute 7 upon 2. So that this is radius centimeters. Simplify. 7 times 1, 7 times 1, 2 times 1, 2 times 1, 2 times 1, 2 times 11. So the arc length is 11 centimeters. Right, super. So you can write the perimeter of this figure. Uh, so this is the first example. Yes. Page number 14, first example. So that perimeter can be written down as. So I will begin from here. Method. Right? Method. I will begin from here. Right? 15 this length, 15 this length. So 15 centimeter multiplied by 2 plus arc length. This one. It is this length, 11 centimeters length. 1, 2. 11 centimeter multiplied by 2. 15 into 2, 30 centimeters. Plus 11 into 2, 22 centimeters. So that you can add them together. 30 plus 22. Again. 30 plus 22. 52 centimeters. Is that correct or wrong? Am I doing something wrong here? Is that correct? පුතේ තේරුණාද? පාර තෙරුලි and Sanuka Ranuti. So got it right? So I hope you guys have got the wrong answer for here. මෙන්න මෙතනනේ. Am I correct or wrong? Tell me. Chat. ඒක තමයි කියන්නේ. Yeah. කේවන් කියලා wrong කියලා මමද වැරදි? මම වැරදිද කොහෙද? Tell me. Okay. It's okay. Right? That now you guys know this one. Because in the picture, in the figure, I have given this as with a name. So I have cheat you, right? Put a private one. So not me, in the exam also same thing happens. Now you guys know how to see, how to watch. So the thing that you need to do is, when you are having a question like this, right? Don't directly jump into it and blah 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 and don't do it. Right? Advance. Try to take like 2 to 3 seconds or 5 seconds, right? Or 10 seconds to analyze the question. Don't try to do the question at once. Nothing, blah blah blah. I can do this, right? Don't do that. This is diameter, right? So if I have the diameter, I need to have what? The radius. 7 divided by 2. So don't be kalabala. Keep calm and do the thing with the 100% accuracy. Don't be kalabala. If you get kalabala, yes, you should have the kalabala. You need to be hurry. Yes, that's true. Now think like this for an example. Now you are in a hurry to complete the paper. 5 questions. In the second paper also. And you are doing that 5 questions within the given time. 3 hours. Within the given time, you are completing that. Full 5 questions. Now you have completed and you are feeling like, wow, I have done it, right? Feeling full chill. No, patta chill right? But what about the accuracy? That's the most important thing. I have some examples for myself as well for that. Campus when I was learning in the university, I have some experience on those things, right? The conclusion is, right, accuracy is better, right, than hurry. Accuracy is better than hurry. Sometimes some of your friends might do all 5 questions, right, within the given time period, within the given 3 hours, but you are not able to do the same thing, right? Now think, you are not able to do the same thing, but within the given time period, you are completing only 4 questions, right? You are completing only 4 questions within that given time period, and your friend is completing 5 full questions within that given time period. Are the 5 questions for your friend, 4 questions for you. But the 4 questions that you have done is, right, very accurate, right? Very accurate, right? Now think like this, that your friend has done 5 questions and at the end he has obtained, like, let's say 390. You have done 4 questions. You have done 4 questions and you have taken like 392 marks out of 500. Sorry, out of yes, out of 500. Out of 500, because you haven't done one complete answer. You haven't done one complete answer here, right? So, but now think who is the best, your friend or you, right? This is Hari. Make a Hari with the Hari. This is accurate. Accuracy, Hari. Medine B kalabala. This is keep calm and well, right? So, today, please understand this. So, I think you are the better guy than this one. Instead of completing 5 full questions, you have completed only 4 questions, but you have got the complete marks. Right? You have got the complete marks. So that you are the better, you are the best. Right? So that I am always telling, be the best. Right? Not the first. Right? So you are the best. Not this one. Right? So that is the difference between them. Okay. So the right. So I hope you understand this. Any question from here? There, if there is any question, you can ask from me. Okay. I'll share the screen again. Guys, this question is made by me. Second, I think it might be somewhat hard for you. Right? So before going to this question, I will give you a help. Right? I will give you a help. The help is something like this. Now I am giving you a hint. Right? Small hint. Right. So Uday, can anyone tell me? Right? Can anyone tell me answer for this one? Here you have square root of 2. If I get the square of this one, what would be the answer? That means square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2. Can anyone tell me what is the answer for this one? Sometimes you might familiar with this, or sometimes you might not. Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me what would be the answer for this one? Tell me. Right? If you do not know, you can tell me don't know. Anyone familiar? Kevan. අයියෝ මේ මාත් එක්ක කතා කරන්න ඕනේ හොඳේ. Okay, Kevan is saying don't know. Right? Tell me. Yeah. What about others? Uday, Ranudi, Tenuli, Sanugar, Farah. Do you guys know this? Chenita is sending me an answer. Yep. It is a decimal number. Navati. No. This is not a decimal number. Right? So this is some kind of a question that you might see in your mother O-level exam. Yeah. Chenita, yes, your answer is correct. I will explain this. I will explain. Wait. Right. So, this is the hint. If you have something like this, right, in your paper, if you have something like this, the square root to the power 2. This is a tip to do the second question. It would be better if you can write this new thing on top of your exercise book or somewhere else so that you can see it. Right? This is a special thing. Square root 2 to the power 2 so that I can expand it something like this. This is something like this. A to the power 2 equals a times a. So I have expanded like this. Square root to the power 2. Square root 2 multiplied by square root 2. So the answer is 2. Right? Answer is same number 2. Right? So it is something like this. Square root a to the power 2 equals, you can expand this one. No need to expand. Right? Square root some number to the power 2. Square root some number to the power 2. The answer is A. This guy. Right? The answer is this. Right? So this is the tip. Right? Try to do the second question. Yes, Ranu. Yeah. That is 2. So I will share the screen. Use the tip that I have given. So it would be better if you can write this one. Better make. These things are, if these things are new for you, it would be better write this. Correct? From somewhere else in your book. Correct? Right. So I will share the screen with you. So try to do the second question. And this question has been made by me. Right. I want to see who finishes first and find the perimeter of this small figure outside perimeter. Here, and here, and here. Right. Before doing that, you need to analyze this. Make a other analysis. So what I should have before finding the perimeter of this? What I should have, right? What I am missing. So what is the missing thing? If I want to find the perimeter of this figure, what is the thing that I have already missed? So where I should begin? Guys, there is something to apply here. A theorem, right? There is a theorem that you need to apply here. Can anyone tell me what would be the theorem? If you see something like this, maybe at that point. Super. Yes, father. Yes, tell me. Your answer is correct, right? So before moving to finding the perimeter, you guys need to find the. Yeah, you guys need to apply the Pythagorean relationship for this one, and you need to find this length and make. Prashant, we are doing example number 2, right? So first of all, you need to apply Pythagorean relationship, and you have to use this tip. This is the tip, right? to do that question, and now I want to see who finishes first. Taksarage package එක ඉවර වුණා දාලා බල් package. Right, do this one. I want to see who finishes first. Use the hint that I have given you. It would better write this one in your book somewhere else that you can see when I make it. Right? If you are not familiar with this, you have to use this somewhere in the question. When you are applying the Pythagorean relationship, you have to use this. ඔගොල්ලෝ සෙට් එකේන කම්මලේ නේ උදේ පාන්දර නැගිටින්න ඈ තාම දැනිලා නැහැ අනේ මම මේ තව අවුරුද්දකින් දෙකකින් ලියන්න යන්නේ ටිකක් ලොකු විභාගයක් කියලා හරි මම හිතුණු පටන් ගන්න උදේ 6ට I think it would be better සද්දබද්ද නැහැ හරි පාඩු වැට්ටික් කරන් ගියේ හරි පිට ඉන්න කට්ටිය කෑ ගහන්නෙත් නැහැ එතකොට like 10 am වෙද්දි the class is also over right Chenita, do you like that time උඹලා එහෙනම් අම්මලි කියලා මම දන්නවා right so you guys need to be අම්මලා බයිනවා ඉතින් right දිදියනවා කිය so if I think like something like after the first quarter හරිද first term එකෙන් පස්සේ right sometimes on in March also I would start the class around like 6 am right so you guys need to join with me right early in the morning මම ඔය ලස්සන පුද්ගලෙක් දකින්න එක ඇහැට පිය කරුනේ it would be better to see a person like me early in the morning right never so the දවසම මේ අලංකාර වෙයි හරි okay so I send me the answer to the chat පටස් ගාලා එවන්න do this you need to be accurate accurate not fast ah 25 Can you simplify Taksara this? Mega Taksara, I think you have got the answer, but it would be better you can send me the final answer as well. Yeah. So that's why I told you take 2-3 seconds or 4 seconds, 5 seconds to analyze the question. So what I should do? Think like that. එහෙම හිතන්න. I got 6 answers, but I don't know. I don't know yeah. So accuracy, and you need to think. Ade, how am I going to apply the theories that I have learned so far? That is the thing, right? How am I going to apply theories and also this hint to that question, right? In an accurate manner, right? That is the art of thinking, right? That is analytical thinking. No worries, Chandra. Let's see. Right? Okay. So I will give you another 1 minute to do this. Make a current. I will give you 1 minute, and those who have completed the question, you can recheck. You can recheck. So පුතේ ඔයාලගේ analytical thinking එක හරිද? The analytical thinking. Right? Not creative thinking. I know you guys are creative. හරිද? ඔයාලා පට්ට creative කියලා I know. Right? But what about the analytical thinking? So that is the most important factor that you need to make sure that you have in your skill set. Skill set එකේ තියෙන්න ඕනේ ඒක. Do this, do this. Okay, time's up. Right. So I have drawn it. Right. Look at the book. That's why I am telling you always, right? Try to analyze the question. Now I am going to explain the question. Now, okay, Farah has sent me the answers. Okay, let's see, let's see. Right? I have received 3 answers, right? First from Chelita, Tatsara, sorry, Tatsara, Chelita, Farah. Right? Right. Okay. So if you want to do this one, make current known now. Right? This question is made by me now. Made mama help. Okay. So you have to find the perimeter of this figure. This is something like a malak me, flower me. Right? So if you carefully watch this, if you carefully analyze this question, right? If you carefully analyze this question, right? You can see these lengths are equal and these are same. These lengths are equal. So that you can prefer or this. So if I say this is R, this is my radius of the this quarter circle, and this is also R. R. So you have equal and identical lengths, right? I think I have received another answer, so that right now I am not going to look at them. Right? R. So you need to identify that if this radius, all of the radius are identical. If I found the perimeter of one part of circle, right? So this is 3/4 of a circle, 3/4 of a circle. Right? So if I found this perimeter, I can simply multiply this by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can simply multiply this perimeter or the circumference of this quarter, 3/4 of circle, right? 3/4 of circle, right? By 4, so that I can have the full perimeter of the full figure, right? So my aim is to find the perimeter of one petal, right? My aim is to find the perimeter of one petal. This. To find that, I have to use this one. This is a right angle one. So I will take it out. This is something like this. Guys, can anyone tell me what is the hypotenuse? What is the length of hypotenuse? Can anyone tell me? Hey, Puti, you need to speak up. Huh? You need to speak up. Can anyone tell me what is the length of the hypotenuse? On them, mother adding what the hypotenuse? What the hell is hypotenuse? Shall I ask you a question, Nina? How the then tell me, Ranudi. Linugar. Hi. What is the hypotenuse length of this? Length of the hypotenuse?
7 square root 2 centimeters.
Yeah. So that's it, right? So this is the length of hypotenuse 7 square root 2, and this is R and this is R. Now my aim is to find R first, so that I can use this radius to find the perimeter of this one petal. Then I can multiply that perimeter of one petal by 4, so that I can get the full perimeter. That is the concept and that is the logic. That is the analysis of this question. Correct? That is the analysis of this question. So now I am going to apply the Pythagorean relationship to this right angle triangle, so that I have to use this hint that I have given to you as well. Right? So I am going to apply the Pythagorean relationship. So you have to write it. Correct? You have to write it, so that examiner can understand. This guy have now applied Pythagorean relationship for this right angle triangle. Super. Correct? Okay, look at it. Pythagorean relationship applying. I am not going to write all the things. Applying Pythagorean relationship. Right. So I have told you this. Right? R this one. Hypotenuse ne? So take it first. You have to get the square, right? And this will be equal R plus R. If I write like this, is this correct? Is this correct? Have I applied the correct Pythagorean relationship?
It should be R square, right?
R. Tell me, yes, tell me.
R square.
Yeah. But a square root correct. This should be R square. Right? So the Pythagorean relationship or the Pythagorean theorem say, right? The area that you have drawn on the hypotenuse is equal to the summation of the areas that you have drawn on the other two sides, right? Area of the square that you have drawn on hypotenuse, this is it. Summation of the areas of other two sides, right, that you have drawn the squares, the area of the other two squares that you have drawn on other two sides. This is the theory that you need to understand. Grade 9 na. Then in the you are grade 10 ne? Correct. So this is it. So now I will take this whole thing as like A or whatever thing, right? And you know how to expand two terms? Ne? Expand two terms. A times B to the power 2. The meaning of this is this power 2 belongs to this A and belongs to this B as well. So you can expand this A to the power 2, A to the power 2 multiply B to the power 2. This is from grade 8, 9. These are grade 8 and 9 theories. Right. So I am going to apply this one here. 7 multiplied by square root 2. This is like A, this is like B. Right? A, B. Right. So A to the power 2, 7 to the power 2. Multiply by square root 2 to the power 2. Now you know how to do this one. Now R square. This is something like A plus A 2A. Right? So R square plus R square 2R square. Correct? Right. Now the thing that you are going to do is 7 to the power 2. 7 to the power 2. 49. Multiply square root 2 to the power 2. That part. Square root A to the power 2 A. So square root 2 to the power 2 2 equals 2R square. Nice. You have to find the value of R square. So you need to isolate this one. Divide both sides by 2. Very beautiful. So R square is 49. If you want to find the value of R, you have to take the square root of 49. So that R becomes 7 centimeters, right? The question is over. That is the hard part. The analytical thinking part. Correct. Right. So R has been found now. R is 7 centimeters. So I will apply that. So it would be better if you can write this theory as also. It would be great. So that later when you are referring this question, definitely you guys will not refer this again. So if any one of you accidentally refer this question, right, in the future, it would be great if you can write this one as also in somewhere around your book or somewhere else in your book. Correct? Right, okay. So R has been found. This one. So you know how to find the pyramid of that this one, 3/4 of the circle, right? Nothing else than that. Arc length. Arc length is equals theta divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Theta, right? If this is 90 degrees, the other reflex angle is 270. So by looking at this, no need to apply theta like previous we did. This is 3 out of 4 circle, right? 3 upon 4. Please ask from me, because this part is 3 upon 4 of the circle. If you refer the theories that we have discussed in the last week and the previous week, you can identify that portion of the circle is 3 upon 4. If you simplify this one, 270 divided by 360. 270 divided by 360 will give you 3 upon 4. Correct? Multiply by 2. 5 means 22 upon 7. Multiply by R. We have found that 7. 7. Simplify. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 1, 2 times 11. 33 centimeters, right? So we have found this 33 centimeters. 33 centimeters into 4 is the perimeter of this full figure. 33 centimeters, 33 centimeters, 33 centimeters, 33 centimeters. 33 into 4. So perimeter can be written down as 33 centimeter into 4. 4 times 3, 12. Remainder 4 times 3, 12 plus 1. Right? Okay. Guys, are you confused with this or fully clear? Tell me. Are you confused or is this clear now?
Sir,
Okay. Yeah.
sir, why did you write 7 square 2 root 7 square root 2 squared?
This one, right?
No, the upper part.
Here.
Yes. Why
Python.
did you write like
Yeah. Wow. Why is that? Can you apply the Pythagorean? I am not going to explain you this one, right? I am going to explain the theory, right? Pythagorean relationship. Pythagorean relationship. Now look at the book. Right. I will take that part with an right. So this is my right angle triangle. I will tell you the length of my hypotenuse is Z and length of this side is X and length of this side is Y. Now Uday, can you tell me how you are going to apply the Pythagorean relationship for this one, this right angle triangle? Make it apply करने को होगा.
Z square equal to A square plus Y square?
Okay. Now, can you find any thing between this one and this one?
Okay, sir, I got it.
Okay. Alright, doubt clear, right?
Yes, I got it.
Okay. Okay. So, how the para. So we have to find the p of the square. Uday, when you are finding the perimeter of a plane figure, right? These things are in, I mean, these things are in dashed line, right? Inside this dashed line, there, Farah. These things are in dashed line. And these things are in thick lines nail. So when you are finding the perimeter of a plane figure, normally you are finding the outside length nail. I drawn it on the board. Sorry, in the picture when I am explaining, I drawn it on the board, right? By using a green line outside length. Normally we are finding the outside length of a perimeter of a given figure, plane figure, right? Farah, is that clear? I'm asking from Farah. Wait, Gautami. Sir, I will come to your question. All right, okay. So, sir, question 3. એને ગોડા ટાઈપ કરી દી બને દેખા પન્ને right? Yeah. Okay. Kevin is saying work, right? Now this is 30 minutes for this one. Now this question has been made by me. මේවා කොහේ පොත්වල නැහැ හරි. මේක මම හැදුවේ. So you might feel, yes, I am slow, right? So any one of you got the answer like 132? I think no, right? No one. So these are from the things, basic fundamental things from your grade 8 and grade 9. Mate. Why you guys are missing these things? Very important. This one, this laws of Indies, Pythagorean relation. Right? These things are very basic things. Right? I think I am not wasting my time. I am giving you the correct answer to get the correct answer with the accuracy. Right? So it would be worth, like, after you ending with me like 3 or 4 months, you will be in a better place. Right? I will assure Mama Pora there are here. Yeah, okay. Thanks. Anita, you got wasting time again. Okay, guys, so let's do. And normally, I am expecting you guys to send me the answer. Right? Okay, do this. Example number 3. Do this one. Find the uh, perimeter. These things are in dash line, not the perimeter of the dash lines, but the thick lines. Right? Do this. This one is AC. Make an among other way here. I'll give you 2 minutes to do this. I want to see who finishes first. Right? Send me the answer to the main chat. Yeah, start. These are in dash lines. If you see dash lines, those are not included for the figure. This is the figure that you have to find the perimeter. Do this. Guys, if you might feel like I am too slow, there are a lot of classes around SriLanka, right? So you can participate for them. Okay, Kevin got the first place, Farah second, Pranil third. Super, near. Another 30 seconds remaining for others. Fourth, Tatsara, near. Super. Okay, time's up. Make what easy. Right? Nothing to do more. Make good local very simple thing. Right? Right. Okay, look at the book. Right. As I told you earlier, this is example number 3. Page 14, example number 3. So you have to find the perimeter of this figure. Outside lines are all outside lines are dashed lines. So ignore them. Right? Perimeter of the figure. So what is the figure that you are seeing here? This is star. Star is the figure that you are seeing. So that is what you are going to find the perimeter. Right? So if you see this one, make that code. Right? So I have given you some hint as well. This length equals this length, right? So that if you see refer this one, so that you will have to obtain this length equals this length. And also I have given that this length is also equal, right? These three lengths are equal, right? So you need to understand if this length is equal this and this length is also equal, right? So this is a square. Very basically, this is a square, right? Side length is 40 centimeter, and in the question has also been given, right? Length of the square is 14 centimeters, right? Length of the square. So this is a square. So you have to understand if this part is equal to this part, and if this is the square, this length is also 14 centimeters. So that this single part is 7, 7, 7, 7, and this is also 7. 14 divided by 2. So Buddha, this is your radius. Right? Radius is 7. Right? Or else separately you can write, right? Radius equals 14 centimeters divided by 2, which will give you 7 centimeters. And apply the thing. So you can directly find the perimeter. P equals, if you find this arc length, one of these arc lengths, right? You have to multiply it by 4 to find the perimeter of the total beam. Right? So I am going to write theta divided by 360 multiplied by 25r. This is the length of a single one, single arc. Length of or perimeter of single arc, and I am going to multiply it by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you know theta divided by 360. Theta is angle at the center, which is 90 degrees. These are right angles, 90 degrees, because this is a square, right? All of these are right angles, right? You need to figure it out. Theta becomes 90, but you already know this is a quarter of a circle, right? If you want, you can apply 90 here, or you can write directly 1 upon 4. 22 upon 7 multiply r 7 centimeter multiply by 4. 7 times 1, 7 times 1, 4 times 1, 4 times 1, 2 times 22, 44 centimeters. Correct? Very simple word. එකෙනෙක් කියලා කවුද? ඕන මොනවද විතරක් කියනවා right? උදේ පටන් ගත්තම එකක් කියන පොඩි එකා. ඉතින් අම්මට සිරියන ගන්න. Guys, try to do this. මේ මෙතන කියනවා exam. This is example number 4. Okay? The shaded parts have been removed from the figure and find the perimeter of the rest. Then don't ask from me. So AB is included the don't ask questions like that. Read the question. The shaded parts have been removed from the figure. Removed from the figure and find the perimeter of the rest. Now don't ask from me. So do I need to find the perimeter of this AB? And do I need to find the perimeter of BD? And do I need to include DE? Don't ask questions like that. I'll slap you. Now remove. So if removed, you need to analyze the question. What is the rest of the figure that I have to that I have to find the perimeter? Right? After removing this part and this part, what is the remaining thing? You might better draw a sketch. Right? Blah blah blah. Do this. I want to see your finishes first. Madam, how do you reckon? Actually, next time join us, please rename yourself. Mate, how do you? Do this and I will give you 4 minutes. Chill, chill, chill. Guys, quiz some of you guys might have seen that. ಹೌದು ಬನ್ನಿ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬನ್ನಿ ಈಗ ಮುಂದೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ Okay, far about the first place. Superb. Superb. Tenuli got the second place and different answer. Okay, but let's see, let's see. Guys, check your answers. Farah and Tenuli. Again, check your answers. I do not know whether which answer is correct. Right? Try to analyze the question and try to. Okay, Linuka has also sent me the same answer. Super. Linuka got the third place. Nice. Another 1 minute is remaining. So, come on, minute to the Okay. Fifth place is for Chenita and Tatsara got the next sixth place. Okay, buddy. Right. Look at the book. Okay, Kyo. Super. Okay, Ashin. Right. Now look at the book. Page number 15, example number, that is not 3, huh? That is 4. Page number 15, example number 4. So these are the shaded parts. Right? And these two parts have been removed, right? So and this is the rest that you have to find. This AC arc, BC, and this BE, right? Then so on and so forth. So finally, you might see something, a figure like this, right? So this is the figure that you need to find the perimeter after removing this quarter circle and this right angle triangle. The rest, right? Right. Okay. So 30 centimeters, 30 centimeters. So that you need to understand this is a square, right? And this is a right angle, and this length has been given 6 centimeters. Yes. This BD length has been given 6 centimeters, right? And by using this figure, I can write AB, which is our radius of this ABC sector. Radius, sorry, AB is the radius of this ABC sector, so that I can write AB equals radius equals, so this is R, radius equals 13 minus 6, right? 13 minus 6 centimeters, so that you have 7 centimeters, right? So radius is 7 centimeters, this one, right? So this is done. Then this one, this is a right angle, right? No need to give you that because 13 centimeter, 13 centimeter, square. So this one is a right angle, right? No one needs to give you that. So you have to identify this is a right angle and this is a right angle triangle also. And again you have to apply the Pythagorean relation. Right? Right. So this length is 6 centimeters and you have to find this length also 13 minus 5. Right? DE or ED, whatever. DE. DE length can be obtained by using 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5, 8 centimeters. Okay. So this length is 8. So now, I will give you something like very small hint. So if you have something like this, so this is a right angle triangle, and this length is 3, this length is 4, right? And this is another one. This length is 8, this length is like 6. Huh? So the interesting thing that you need to remember is, if you apply the Pythagorean relation, this 3, 4 length give you this 5. Make a 5. 3, 4, 5. And this will 8, 6 method, but 8 plus 6, 14. But the thing that you need to remember is the length will be 10. These numbers you need to be familiar with the Pythagorean relation. 3, 4, 5, 8, 6, 10. Right? 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 4, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. 5 times 5, 25. 8 times 8, 64. 6 times 6, 36. 64 plus 36, 100. Square root of 100, 10. Right? 3, 4, 5. If you see something like this pen, 3, 4, 5, this is 8, 6, 10. Keep that in your mind, putting small thing, right? Okay. So this is 8. 8, 6, 10. Right? But you have to apply the Pythagorean relation, right? To find BE length. Right? So I will write, consider applying Pythagorean relationship for BDE right angle triangle. Apply Pythagorean relationship for BDE right angle triangle. So BDE right angle triangle. Right? For BDE right angle triangle. Hypotenuse, I do not know, that is BE square. So normally I will tell this B equals X, right? B equals X, so that you can understand, right? So hypotenuse is X, X to the power 2 equals 6 plus 8. This is wrong. 6 to the power 2, 8 to the power 2. Correct? So X to the power 2 equals 6 to the power 2, 36, plus 8 to the power 2, 64, 100, right? X can be written down as square root of 100. So you guys know that 10 centimeters. So this is okay. Right? And AC arc length. So how you are going to do that? So you know how to apply arc length, arc length. So normally you have to write arc length. I am not going to do that. L equals theta divided by 360 multiplied by 25R. Theta 90, 90 upon 360, 1 upon 4. Right? This is a part of a circle, and part of a circle, 1 upon 4 of a full circle. 1 upon 4 of a full circle. Multiply 2 times 22 upon 7. Multiply by R. Radius is 7 centimeters. Simplify. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 11. So arc length is 11 centimeters. So you can write the perimeter. You can write the perimeter. Perimeter of the full figure. P. Right? Normally I am writing perimeter, but I will use P. Right? Here 13 plus 13 plus 5 plus x is 10 plus this length 7 radius ne don't put 8 down. Right? That has not been given in the figure as well. Right? Compare the lengths. This length is more than the below part in the figure. Right? So this is R. Don't capitalize. 8 megapixel 8. What is this? Radius. 7. 7 plus AC arc length 11. So all of the lengths are in centimeters. So at them 26, 36, right? 36 plus 10, 46, 47, 54, 59, right? Is that correct? 59, right? Yeah. Super. Guys, did you understand this one? Most of you guys have got the same answer, I think. Super. Okay. Any other answer? Right? Any unclear points from here, from this question before going into the break? Any unclear points? Do you have any unclear points? Tell me. Yeah. You got this fully understood? Alright. If you have any questions, you can ask from me and let's meet like 10 a.m. Alright? Right. I'm going to share the screen. So let's do more questions. Mm. Right. Right. Okay, guys. We were here and we have done this one. And yes, this one. Page number 15. Alright. Find this. Semicircular portion of a diameter. Right. Diameter 7 centimeter has been cut. Right. Okay. Important point that you need to pay attention. Right. Has been cut out from a semicircular lamina of radius 7 centimeter and welded to the lamina again as shown in the figure. Right. The lamina again shown in the figure and find the arc length of the sector of the circle of radius 7 centimeters. Find the arc length of the sector of the circle of diameter 7 centimeters. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. There might be a question. Which one is the 7 centimeter diameter and which one is the 7 centimeter lamina? So all the required lengths and radius and diameters have been given in the figure. So you need to answer the questions this one and this one. Send me the answers like x, y, z into the chat so that I can find out who finishes first. Right? This one, and this one. Then send me the answer in a single message like this x, y, z so that I can figure it out who finishes first. Right? I will give you another 2 minutes. Do it fast. Okay, Ashini. Super. Ashini has sent me the answer. Ashini got the first place. Uh, Subhra, you need to very carefully find the answer for the third one. Huh? I need answers in a single message like this. X, y, z. No need to send x equals something very far. So you can just type, right? 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Right? You can just send me the answer like that. This is an example one. Huh? Hey, example. Okay, Farah got the second place. Right, okay. It's 3.88. Guys, it would be better if you can send me the answers to the main chat. Main chat you don't know. Okay, guys, okay. How will I will discuss this one. Right. So it is something like this. Right? It is something like this. Keon and Tatsar, are you familiar with this? Are you familiar? Keon and Tatsar. Tell me, tell me. Are you guys familiar? Chat karan deva, message dan deva. Turn on your mic and speak. Are you guys, two of you guys, are you familiar? Familiar with me? Tatsar and Keon.
Little bits.
Little bit. What is this? Why I ask like that? So fix your mic, Tatsar, when you are coming in the next class. I think last time your mic worked, sorry. And all of you guys, you need to fix your mics. Mic stick otherwise don't come. Right? Right. So right? You guys can take a Bluetooth my thing, or you can get a headphone. Huh? So may this one is very familiar with karate ne? Or good and bad thing on the. We have the launcher.
Yes, yes, yes.
අඩෝ මතක නැද්ද? යකෝ මම මතක් කරන්න ඕනේ. එයාට කරාටි නේ? යකෝ. තත්සර මේ this has a meaning හරි. මං හිතුවේ meaning එක ඔයාලෙන් අහගන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි. This one is white and there is a black dot. And this one is black. This one is black, there is a white dot. This one is white, there is a black dot. හරි මට මතක නෑ right මේක. This one is for goodness and this one is for bad, right? අපර කොහොමයක් තියෙනවා හරි. This represent the bad, this represent the good. Hurry, as I know. You might find it out. Yin yang. Every good has a bit of yeah. Well, every evil has a bit of good. Yes, super. Thank you, Ashin. Oh, Ashin ये वाला देना हमें यहाँ पे कराटे का इस लड़ा खाली. Me. So if this is bad, this small bad dot is inside the good thing. And if this total thing is bad, this small white dot represent the good in it. Evil thing, that's the thing. In each and every human, human getting there might be good and bad things. And also for me, right? We are not pure goodness. None of you. You might include good things and small bad things. Puthala very bad things, but they have, right, some small thing, small good things in their life, right? You are good people, right? You are good people. You might include some small bad things. Sometimes those things come from your mother and father and neighbors, and also in yourself also those things are here. Right? So that's how the life balances, right? Okay. So Megha, Muhammad, so we have here 7 centimeters. No need to put centimeters. You guys know this is centimeters already, ne? Centimeters kala, right? No. Alright. So in the first question they are asking, find the arc length of the sector of the circle of radius 7 centimeters. Radius is 7 centimeters. Where you can find the sector where the radius equals 7 centimeters. This big guy, if you consider this big sector, this big arc length, this one, when it compares to this one, this sine wave, right? The radius of this part is 7. Right? So that you can find that. Right? For the first part, radius is 7 centimeters. It would be better if you can write down the known data first. And theta 180 degrees. So you know this is half of a circle. So you can apply arc length equals theta divided by 360 multiplied by 25 r. You can simplify equal mark. Theta is 180, 360 half. Multiply 2 multiply 5 means 22 upon 7. Multiply r 7 centimeters. Simplify 7 times 1, 7 times 2 times 1, 2 times. Your first answer should be 22 centimeters for this part. Right. Second one, find the arc length of the sector of the circle of diameter 7 centimeters. Diameter. So this is the diameter and this is it. Diameter. So you are going to find the arc length of this small one. Right. So let's do that. So first of all, I will write what is R. R equals 7 divided by 2 centimeters. Theta same ne 180 ne. So I apply the same thing. Arc length. I'm not going to write this one. Right? You know already half 2 5 means 22 upon 7. R 7 upon 2. Right? Don't miss that. Centimeters. Two times 1, 2 times 1, 7 times 1, 7 times 1, 2 times 1, 11. So arc length is 11 centimeters. Right. Now you have to find the perimeter. You have to find the perimeter of the whole figure. Right? Third one. How you are going to find? If this is 11, this also 11 because diameter is 7. Right? 11 times 2. You know already this one. 22. So perimeter 22 plus 11. 11 plus 11. That means 11 into 2 centimeters. 22 plus 22, 44. Sorry. Hope you got that. Okay. තේරුණාද උදේ? Hope you have obtained the answer. හරිද? ඕක nothing else than that. Right. Right. මට ඕනේ ඔයාලට හිත ගණන් ගොඩක් හදවන්න. හරි? So that you are familiar with the question. හරි? Do this. Make කරන්න. The angle at the center is, guys, මෙතන 45 degrees. Read the question carefully. Right? Make a 45 degrees. Right? Angle at the center. Right? I am not going to tell you anything. I want to see who finishes first and send the answer to the main chat. මෙන්න මෙතන මම here කියලා දැම්මා. Oh. Right? Here. Right? So that I can identify who finishes first. Right? Do this. Be fast and accurate. So that you will become be the first. Be the best. Be the best. Not the first. Be the best. Right? Do this. Guys, may remember that and please allocate 1.5 hours on Fridays. Not each and every Friday. I will let you know once we want to have a extra class. Right? So, like, it might take 1 hour to 1.5, right? On Fridays. Sikurada house it. However, I am sending the recordings. Doesn't matter. I want to do more. Yes, Tatsara has sent me the answer. Huh? Tatsara, you have to check your answer. How much greater is the gradient down? Yeah. No need. First place for Taksara. This one is very easy, right? You have to compare, right? You have to compare two lengths, two perimeters, and find out the difference. Right, only Taksara has sent me the answer. What about others? What are the others still doing? Okay, I will give you another 30 seconds to complete. 30 seconds to complete. Five seconds remaining. Time's up. Okay, guys, you can do it. At the last minute, I have received another answer. Okay, super. Let's see for second place. Haribudi, right. So the figure is on the board. Page number 17, fifth question. And this one. Right, page number 17, fifth question. So they are asking you to find the difference, ne? They are asking you to find a difference, right? Right. So the difference, so I will read the question. The figure shows two sectors of circles, right, of a center A and the radius AD. radius AD, and the radius AR respectively, how much greater is the perimeter of the set of APQR? APQR. So the first place, you have to find the perimeter of APQR. That is the first step clear. When you are reading the question, right, you need to understand that perimeter of APQR. You need to find this, right, at the first place. Then read the rest. APQR. Then the perimeter of the shaded region. Shaded region, this part is BPQRDC. Right? So this is perimeter 1, perimeter 2. BPQR QRDC. Right? DC. Shaded part. And they are asking some word like then. Then. Right? So this should be bigger and you have to get the summation. Sorry, maybe. Subtraction. P1 minus P2. Right? So this is the thing that you have to find. So all the things have been given. All the necessary details have been given in the figure. Right? So you have to do that. So first of all, I will find the perimeter of the sector. Perimeter of the sector, arc length plus 2 times radius. In the last week, the theory that we discussed in last week. Arc length plus 2 radii. 2 radius. 2 times radius. Huh? Right. So, perimeter of APQR. Perimeter of APQR. We can find it by using this theta divided by 360 multiplied by 25R, which gives my PQR arc length plus this length plus this length. Right? 3.5 into 2. Right? That means 2 radius. Guys, can you tell me how to write 3.5 in a different manner? Right? So it is a decimal number. 3.5 can.
7 divided by 2.
Nice. Great. So guys, it would be great if you can remember that number. Right? 3.5. Okay. So I will substitute this. Yes, your answer is correct. 3.5 equals 7 upon 2. Right. Right. Theta 45. I am going to substitute 45, 360 multiplied by 2. 5 means 22 upon 7. Multiply R, APQR, APQR, AR, AR, total length. It will give you 7 centimeters. AR. Don't capitalize, sir. R, 7 centimeters. Plus 2 times R, 7 centimeters. 45 times 1, 45 times 8. 7 times 1, 7 times 1. 2 times 1, 2 times 4. 2 times 11, 2 times 2. Here you have 11 upon 2. Correct? 11 upon 2 plus 40. Simplify. You guys know how to do this one. In last week, I told you how to do. Make correct? 11 upon 2 plus 40. Make common denominator is 2. 11 comes here. 2 into 40 comes here. 28. Centimeters. 39. right? Or you can keep this in a mixed number form, or you can divide this up to decimal places. So I will keep this in decimal places because I have to find this difference. Difference again. So I will keep this in decimal now. 2 times 1, 2 times 9, 19.5 centimeters. Correct? Right. Now this APQR thing is done. I need to find the perimeter of BPQR DC. This shaded part. Right? So you know this length is 3.5 and this length is also 3.5. Right? And we have to find this arc length and also this one, so that we can have the perimeter of BPQRDC shaded region, right? Perimeter of that, right? Okay. So first of all, this arc length and this arc length. This arc length already included here, but I will again find the perimeter of BPQ blah blah DC. And BPQ RDC ne? Oh, RDC equals 3.5, 3.5 centimeters into 2 plus BCD arc length, right? Arc length of BDC plus PQR arc length. One of the make one with the right? You can write whatever you want. So I am writing this for your understanding, right? 3.5 times 2, this one, and I'm going to next find BCD arc length and arc length PQR, right? So I am going to do it one shot, right? Ek shot one shot, right? Equal mark. This will give you 7 centimeters plus arc length BDC. Sorry, BCD. Yeah, whatever. BDCO, BCDO, BDC, whatever. And this one. Theta upon 360. Theta, angle at the center, 45. Right? 45 divided by 360 times 2 5 r. 2 times 5 means 22 upon 7. Right? R. 3.5. I will write 7 upon 2 instead of R. That. Right? Plus this one. Same thing. Theta upon 360. 45 divided by 360. These are arc length. Arc length. Multiply by 2. 5 means 22 upon 7. Right? Multiply 3.5, 3.5, 7. Right? Radius is 7. Right? 7. All of these are centimeters. Right? So Buddha, I will simply put. Here you have 7. And here you have this one. 1 upon 8. 2, 2, 7, 7. Right? 2 times 4. 2 times 11. Right? Then same thing, 1 upon 8. 7, 7. 2 times 1. 2 times 4. Right? Here in this fraction I have denominator in this part 4, and I will keep this 4 as same. I am not going to simplify. This is 2 times 2 and 2 times 11. වැඩ වැඩි කරගන්නේ why we are going to right add more works to our work because the denominator of this fraction 11 upon 4 and if I keep like this 22 upon 4 so that we can add them directly we can add them directly rather fractions if I simplify like this 22 times 11 so sorry 2 times 11 2 times 2 11 divided by 2 and again I have to do the same thing I have to make sure that I have enough equal denominators right 7 plus 11 upon 4 plus 22 upon 4 centimeters right so let's add 7 plus 11 plus 22 33 upon 4 like previous same thing same thing common denominator is 4 plus 33 4 times 7 28 centimeters 28 plus 33 8 times and sorry 8 plus 3 11 2 5 61 divided by 4 Arne? Yeah 61 divided by 4 centimeters right if you want you can convert this into decimal numbers and get the comparison if you want to do it as a fraction thing right you can convert this 39 divided by 2 into mega equal fractions so that you can subtract equal two fractions or the denominator here denominator is 2 make sure that you have 4 so multiply by 2 both numerator and denominator get the subtraction of the two fractions or else convert this into decimal number 4 times 61 divided by 4 4 times 15 gives you 60 10 4 times 2 5 yeah 15.25 centimeters is the perimeter of this shaded region this one right so now they are asking the difference more than they are asking maybe you are than the perimeter of the shaded region yeah what is the difference between them so I will take the difference so biggest one is p apqr I have to get the difference minus p times ppqr dc right so 15 so that one is 19.5 minus 15.25 centimeters get the subtraction here 0.25 4.25 yeah so the difference is just 4.25 Hari, any unclear point making any unclear point guys understood the Teruna Chenita Farah has sent me the answer yes Tenuli also okay. How the Linuka and Keon Chenita
No.
Chenita you got it no
සර් ඒක අර මේ ඔය මේ සෙකන්ඩ් බෝඩ් එකේ තියෙන තැන ඉඳන් පොඩ්ඩක් අර පැටලුණා.
what
ඔය මේ සෙකන්ඩ් පාර්ට් එකේ වෙනකොට පැටලුණා.
පැටලුණා කියන්නේ ඔයා ගණන් හදාගෙන ගියපු එකද?
නෑ ඒක තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ හරියට වරක්.
මේ පෙරිමීටර් එක ගත්ත විදියද?
ඕ
so Keo Liluka understood or not? What about yes කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? තේරුණා?
No, sir.
Keo no. Okay. So I will once again I will tell this part only. Yeah. So Chaitanya, you need to find the perimeter of this shaded region. Right. Tell me what are the four lengths that you need to add.
3.5 දෙකයි ඒ මේ ආක් ලෙන්ත් දෙකයි.
Arc length देखो 3.52 2 times that arc length of BCD, arc length of PQR. Do you know how to find arc lengths?
yes
Okay. So this is it. How am I applying theta divided by 360 multiplied 25R? This is for the BCD. Right? For the BCD arc length, what is theta?
45
45. It is here. 25R. What is the radius for BCD arc length?
3.5
3.5. I have written it as 7/2 so that I can simplify it very easy. Right? Then same thing for PQR length, arc length. What is the theta?
45
45. What is the radius for PQR length? PQR 7. 3.5, 3.5. So this is it. So when I have simplified it, so I will keep my answer like this, right? 11/4, 22/4. Yes, I can simplify this furthermore. 22 can be divided by 2. 4 can be divided by 2. No need to do that. However, you have to add the two fractions. So 11/4, 22/4. Keep it like that. Same denominator and add them. 33 divided by 4. 7 plus 33 divided by 4. This is what we have done in last week. Guys, did you do this last week? So we know how to do this one. 4 into 7, 28. 33/4. Add them 61/4. 15.25. Get the difference of these two. So you will get this. Because they are asking difference, right? How much the first perimeter is greater than compared to the shaded part. Alright. You guys need to go through the hardest question, right? Again and again at the home. Why I got the wrong answer for this one? Why I didn't understand this question? Likewise, you have to review yourself, right? Review yourself with the question. Question review where did I got wrong? Right? So on and so forth. I hope you all got this. Okay. Right. Do this. 15th. Make not the outside length. right? Not the perimeter. They are asking find the total wires in the figure. Find the total length, right? So each and every thing you have to add up. This straight line, this one, 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 and this one, this one, this one, this one, and this arc, right? This arc and this arc, right? You have to find all of them. But before jumping to the question, please analyze first. How am I going to find? Total length of the figure. Total length, not the perimeter of the figure, right? So on and so forth. You have to add each and every length. But there is a pattern. If you understand the pattern, that would be very great. Analyze the question first. Dadas gala balanga you will get hacked. You will get hacked. Are Sattai. I want to see who finishes first. Do this. 15th. There is an easy way. Send me the answer to the main chat so that I can refer and I can. Still no one sent me the answer. Okay. Generally, send me a answer and also thoughts are different two answers received, but that is great. However, you have tried. Nearby, you will try, but I do not know what is the correct. What is which one is the correct one, right? But great. However, you have obtained something. Sanuga, did you got this? තේරුණාද? Hi, Sanuga. I'm asking from you. Sanuga, all clear? ඉස්සර මේ සනුගෙන් කිසිම ආන්සර් එකක් හරි මුක් හරි ආපු නැතිනම් අහන්න. Right. Okay guys, so මේක මේ පට්ට easy හරි. The only thing that you need to understand is the picture itself. The only thing that you need to understand is the figure itself, right? Where do we have that? Right, page number 21. That's page number 21. Page number 21. 15th question. Alright. So this is what they have given. Right? This is what they have given. Very simple. What a simple. Right? What a simple. There is one thing to understand. Right? Right. Okay. Now they have given that this length is 7 centimeters. You have only 3 shapes in this figure. 3 shapes. Straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line. And this half circle, second one, this half circle. Right? First one is straight line, second one is the half circle, third one is this quarter circle. This one, this arc. 2 arcs and a straight line. Those are the only 3 parts that you have to identify. Right? Now, how many straight lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 straight lines. Lengths are equal. If this equals, these two lengths are equal. This length equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 straight lines. How many half circles are there? Can anyone tell me? And how many quarter circles? Please count them and tell me. How
Four
many
halves.
how they?
4 halves.
4 half circles. Quarter circles?
4.
4, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. If you add the length of these things, you will get the total perimeter. Perimeter, total length. Right? Right. So you need to figure the length of this. So you already know 7 centimeters. This is done. Find the half of half circle length. So that is arc length, right, of half circle, right? Arc length of half circle. Measure. Half circle 1/2. 25 R. 2 times 22/7. R 7. R is 7. For a half circle, la. Okay. Sorry. Not 7. Half circle. This one. Right? What is the diameter of that half circle? Can anyone tell me what is the diameter? Can.
3.5.
Have they? Here, tell me.
3.5.
Yeah. No, I'm asking the diameter. Diameter is
Diameter is 7
Yeah.
and radius is 3.5.
3.5. So I would refer it as not 3.5, but 7/2 for my easiness and for the easiness of simplification. Correct? If I use 3.5, so it will take some different things. So I will keep this diameter of this half circle as 7 because this is equal to this 7 centimeters, right? Half circle. So radius is 7/2. So it will clear me 7 times 1, 7 times 1. Your answers are correct. Radius is 3.5. Yes. But I will keep it like this 7/2. 2 times 1, 2 times 1. But the last sign, right? Very clear. 2 times 1, 2 times 11. Arc length of half circle 11 centimeters. Done. Quad of circle. Right? So arc length. Quad of circle. Quad of circle equals quarter of circle. What is the fraction? Quad of circle. What is the fraction?
1/4.
1/4. Quad of circle. 2, 5, 2/22/7. 2, 5 R 7 R. What is the radius of the quad of circle? What is the radius of the quad of circle? Chaos.
Radius is 7.
Chaos. What is the radius of the half circle?
3.5.
No, sorry. Not half of circle. What is the radius of the quad of circle? Sorry, yeah. What is the radius of the quad of circle? Sanuga? Linuga? උත්තර දෙන්න ටික කට්ටියක් තමයි අහන්න වැඩිය. මැසේජ් එකක් දාන්න එපා කොල්ල. මම බලන්නේ නැහැ. මම මෙතන ඉන්නේ. Sanuga, what is the radius of the part of this circle? This part, this arc length. If you want to find this arc length, what is the radius of that arc?
11, sir.
11?
Yes, sir.
It is 7, right? This is quad of circle. right? And this is the quarter of circle, and this is the center, right? Right, this is the center, and this is the right angle, and these are the radius. So radius is 7, right? 7 centimeters. So arc length of the quarter of circle 1/4 times 25 r. R means 7. Simplify. 7 times 1, 7 times 1. 2 times 1, 2 times 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 11. 11 centimeters. This one done, this one done, this is also done. 11 centimeters. Right? Right. Now, all together you have to add. So total perimeter. Sorry, total length. Total length can be written down as 12 into 7 plus 4 into 11 plus 4 into 11. All lengths are in centimeters. 12 times 7. Chenita, 12 times 7.
84.
84. මං දන්නේ නැහැ මචං මං දන්නේ නැහැ කොල්ලෝ ඒකයි මං ඇහුවේ. හරි. එකපාරට මට එන්නේ 12 times 7 ටටස් ගාලා උඩට. So that's why I asked. Guys, ඔගොල්ලෝ you guys need to be better in multiplication table. හරිද? Right? So 12 times 7 84. This one 44 and this one is also 44.
සර් එතන වයර්ස් ටිකේ ලෙන්ත් හොයන්න කිව්වහම ඔය මේ අපි කැල්කියුලේට් කරපු ආක් ලෙන්ස් ටික නෙමෙයිද එකතු මේ හදන්න ඕනේ.
Nah. Why is that? None of
අර වටේ හදන්න ඕනද?
huh? All the things are wire scale.
එහෙමද ගන්නෙ?
Yes, all the things are wire scale because none of these in dashed line. එකක්වත් නැහැ dash line. So this is a full figure. That's why I told you you have to find. I marked also. Right? In by using the red marks, red lines, I have marked all the things that you have to add. Right? So this is it. So it that is great. If you have any doubt, you can ask from me. That's great. If you so that you have asked that. So you need to clear it out. Right? So 84, this one, and then together. 2, 12, 16, 17. 172, right? Right? So you need to read the question very carefully. Carefully in your exams also. Yeah. Right. Guys, did you add? Take a theorem and look at right? Okay, guys, and also this one is made by me. Anyway, right? This one is also made by me. Anyway, the 17th question, right? Okay, right. Now we are going to. This is the end of the perimeter lesson. Complete the dude, right? Complete the dude and send me the answers. Right? You guys need to complete the dude and send me the answers. Right? You guys need to complete the rest of the tube and all the exercises and all the rest of the questions. Right? And also now we are moving to the speed revision session. Right? This question has been made by me. Huh? You guys better do this. So not right now I am not going to do that. Right now I am not going to do that, and we are moving to the speed revision system. Speed revision data. So you can complete the tube. Right. Shall I explain the last question again? Before moving into the speed revision thing. So Buddha, this is it. Page number 21, 15th question. So this is the figure that we have to find the perimeter, right? So only this straight line and half circle and quarter of circle we have to find the lengths, right? So that first of all, what you have to do is, right, identify how many straight lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times 7. 7 means the length of one straight line, right? This one. And we have another shape. Second shape is this half circle. This is it. We have 4 half circles in this figure. 4 times half circle. Then we have to find the arc length of this half circle, right? 1 upon 2 times 2, 5 r. Half circle diameter is 7. 7. So you have to get the radius 7 upon 2. Simplify, 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 simplify. 11 centimeters. That is the arc length of half circle. There are 4 half circles. Each arc length is 11 centimeters. So this is done. Now we have this quad of circles. Quad of circles. How many quad of circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quad of circles. And we have to find the arc length of a quad of circle. 1 upon 4 is the fraction of total out of total circle of this quad of circle. That is why we are saying quad of circle 1 upon 4. 2, 5 r. R is the 7 centimeter, which is this. And this is the radius of this quad of circle. Right? Simplify, you will get 11 centimeters. Now this is done, and this is also done. 11 centimeters times 4. Total length can be obtained 12 times 7 plus 4 times 11 plus 4 times 11, totally centimeters. Right? That's why I have used brackets. Right? 12 times 7, 84, 4 times 11, 44, 4 times 11, 44. Right? Add them together, you will get 172 centimeters total wires in total, right? Length of the total wires. Okay, that's okay. So Tatsara's grading is 2 o'clock. Right? Right. Okay, so let's move to our speed revision session, right?